Microwave oven works like a complete magic. It heats our food without any external supply of heat to it, and that too with good uniformity and less time. So today, I Arya Sagre am here to explain how this product was invented and what is the basic working principle of it. To talk about the invention of microwave oven, let me tell you, this product was invented in a mere accident. Yes, you heard it right. A scientist named Percy Spencer was experimenting something with an instrument called as magnetron, which produces electromagnetic radiations. And while he was experimenting, he observed that a candy placed in his pocket got melted. He later realized that it was the magnetic radiations coming from the magnetron which made the candy to heat and melt. This gave him an idea of using these radiations to heat food in general. But the issue with this idea was, it was very difficult to target a specific food when we thought of heating food in open, and also these radiations were harmful for human beings. So he thought of building this small heating compact box. In this, it contains two metal sides. On one side, the magnetron is being placed. It produces the electromagnetic radiations which get reflected from the other metal side, and in such a way all the radiations get enclosed in this heating box and our food gets heated. Now, coming to the construction of this microwave oven, the external casing contains all the relays, control circuits and the electric motors. It is mainly made up of stainless steel or galvanized steel and has a coating of enamel or acrylic. Talking about this control panel, this is provided for the customer to set the microwave according to our needs and use the microwave to our program. This internal cooking chamber contains a turning table which is made up of glass, and the entire cooking place is made up of either ceramic or enamel. The magnetron is placed on one side, as I said before, and it produces the electromagnetic radiations. This is all about microwave and its construction. Almost all of them have similar designs and are fairly simple to use. Thank you. Now, you may wonder that what exactly causes the microwave radiations to heat the food. Nothing but a simple phenomena of heat caused due to friction is used here. We all know that a small or large amount of water is present in the food we eat. Water molecule is made up of two hydrogen atoms and an oxygen atom, which contain charges over it, and overall water molecule becomes polar as well as a dipole. When the electromagnetic radiations come in contact with the water molecule present in our food, they cause it to oscillate and rotate about itself. When two or more rotating and oscillating water molecules come in contact with each other, generation of friction takes place, which further generates heat. And this is how our food gets heated.